Yes, yes, I got two students on the line right now who actually purchased a few of the products from my website right above my head. Y'all see it, www.klbtraded.bigcartel.com. Y'all see the website. But anyway, I'm gonna let them give you guys a live testimony on how they feel about the strategies. And I'm also gonna let Courtney speak on setting up the strategy this morning, as well as how powerful he really think it is. So, Courtney, go ahead and go first if you don't mind.
Sure thing, brother. Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Courtney Green. I'm out here in Washington State. So I started using the strategies the other day. I was kind of playing around with the demo on my own without any training on those, and it was almost like a fail proof, right? With the fractals, it shows you when the reversals are happening. And I just learned this morning you got to have everything lined up. That's one thing I didn't really understand when I was out on my own doing it. But just this short class today really helped me understand what was going on. It's almost like trading for dummies, really. If you ever heard those books, do this for dummies or that for dummies. This is like trading for dummies. It's almost like a fail proof. You just gotta pay attention and be solid and just take your time with the trades, be disciplined. That's the only thing you gotta do is be very disciplined and you can win at this. I can see that already.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man, bro. I truly appreciate you, man. I know you got to go. We will be on again tomorrow at 8:30. You already know where to go. Hop on the Zoom, and I got you, brother.
All right.
Yolanda, sis, you there?
I'm here.
Go ahead and give the people what they want. Give them what they want. I don't want them to think I be just blowing this stuff up. Hey, tell them how we met. Tell them what's
No, no,
come on.
no. This is the truth. I love all of the strategies. I think for me, I use the 2 minute dominator the most just because sometimes I just want to, it makes me feel like I'm just kicking back, relaxing, and doing the doggone thing. I don't know what else to tell them. Get your strategies. It's not hard to do. Follow the directions, and you are on your way.
Jeez, I
Go
appreciate
get
it.
it today. Stop wasting time.
Matter of fact, today is the last day. I'm glad you said that. Because I didn't take it off last night. Last night I ran a promo saying that last night was the last day that my reckoning strategy was going to be on sale. Well, today is actually the last day that it's going to be on sale. It's on sale for $100 right now. I'm getting ready to increase the price. The only reason I didn't change it last night because we went to church and I came home and I was super tired. We put the baby to
Hmm.
sleep and it was time to go to bed. So I'll give you guys a little bit more time. Don't know when I'm going to change it. Whenever I feel like going in there and changing it, who knows? And then what I will do for the strategy that you guys see me using earlier this morning, that is the strategy where I've taken 5 personal students and doubled their accounts with that strategy in a session. I will have a promo code for that later on. It will be in my next video. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like,
Ooh.
subscribe. Yes, yes, it will be a promo. Might even do, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Maybe 50% off. I don't know.
Oh
But
my God.
we'll see
If
what's
they
going
miss
on.
this, they're crazy.
All
If
right.
you miss this, you're crazy. That's hot.
All right. You guys be blessed. Take it easy. It's your boy KLBK, and we out of here. What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? I'm recording this right now because earlier the audio quality was a little bit off. So you see me talking over this video right now, but I do have my brother on the line. This is his first time trading, and we're literally about to show you right now what transpired this morning with one of my strategies called the Reckoning. He has no idea what's about to happen. So you guys stay tuned, enjoy, get your popcorn because it's about to be epic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I have my brother on this call right now, and he purchased quite a few of the packages that are on my website. Link is down below. But the strategy that we're going to be going over right now is the reckoning. I call it 15 seconds, 10 seconds of madness because these trades happen so fast. And this is for the individual who's like, hey, I want to get in a trade, but I don't have the patience to wait on a trade. So I developed this strategy for you to come in, take quick trades, quick sniper entries in the market. Doesn't matter the time frame. You know, with certain strategies, you want to trade during the London session, during the New York sessions, or some of you guys even want to trade during the Asian session because it moves a little bit slower and you may be at work, or you might not like when the market's moving so fast. There's so much volatility in the market, you might miss some entry. Well, I'm gonna tell you, once you get this down packed, you can take trades anytime. And I'm gonna break this down really, really fast for him, so we could take a few trades, and then I'm gonna call some trades out, and then we're gonna go from there. So, bro, the way this strategy worked, and these are not my traditional settings. We just went over everything, and we just changed his settings. I'm not gonna tell you guys my settings. The settings are for when individuals decide to purchase the product. But what I will do is show you how powerful this is. So we have this line right here. This line is going to determine our trend. If you have the candles underneath that line, that means we should be selling. If the candles are above that line, it means we should be buying, okay? Another way to look at that is price. Here's price right here, price right here. If that price is underneath that red line, we should be selling. If this line, this price, what you see right here, is above the red line, we should be buying. That's step one. Step two, this down here. If the green line is above the red, we should be buying. If the red is above the green, we should be selling. That means whichever line's on top, that's who's in control. As you see back here, the red line is on top, and you see all the candles selling off. There's a little bit reverse, and I'll tell you how to identify when to get out of that trade when you're taking every single trade. The next important step is this right here. When it's red, as you see right here, it's red. This is red. The sellers are in control, so we should be selling. When it's green, the buyers are in control, meaning we should be buying. Now, I went ahead and I color coordinated this thing for you guys, so everything must line up. So it must be red, 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 red. We're going to hit the red button. If everything's lined up green, 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 you're going to hit the green button. Now, if you don't have all the colors lined up, you're just not going to take the trade. And this right here, I have these triangles here. These are warnings. These are called fractals. Your fractals are going to be an indication for you when the market is getting ready to reverse and go the other direction. Now, look, if you have a green fractal, that doesn't mean buy for this right here. If you have a green fractal, that means the market has been bought so much that this is the highest point and that it's ready to turn around and go the other direction. When you have a red fractal that appears, that means the market has sold so much that it's ready to turn down and go the other way. And as you guys see right now, we have a candle that came down to that level. We didn't create a new fractal yet. We possibly could get a new fractal, but what I see down here is that the market is getting ready to flip, and we're about to get some continuations for a sell, and I'm actually going to take a sell in front of you guys right now. That line cross, I'm going to enter on the new candle. Now, look, I entered that trade for 5 seconds for $100. Let's see if we clear that trade. We just cleared that trade just like that because everything lined up. Price was underneath the red. I had my fractal. It broke. My red line came above. I'm going to take this one. My red line came above, and I have red down here. Everything is lining up. We're about to clear. We just cleared another one. That's $200 that we just made while I'm explaining this strategy to you. So now that I've done that, we're going to go ahead and go to the other side where my brother's actually about to take some trades. So now that I just cleared those two trades, the next important part is the continuation and knowing when to get out of the trade. Now, the continuation it means you can take every single one of these trades, but you got to know when to abort mission. You got to know when to stop trading. Here's how you know when to stop trading. Once you get your entry, your cross, when to get in that trade, you can take every single trade. We're only doing 5 seconds. So you take a trade for 5 seconds, you wait for that candle to close, you enter the next trade when the next candle opens up. You guys see we have a timer here. you would enter on that next trade. But we had the signal to abort mission because it was red, 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 and then it turned green. That's your first line of defense telling you to stop trading, wait for the market to retrace, wait for it to correct, and then start taking those trades again for the sell position because we know it's an overall sell. Another indicator for you to stop trading is if you have red, 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 and then all of a sudden you get a green candle. If you get a green candle and it closes green, you are to stop trading. You are not to take the next trade. So we're just going to be patient. Now, here's another important part. Now, while you're waiting for the market to correct, I have this line on my chart. Listen, this line is super important because price loves to come back to this line no matter what. It doesn't like to stay too far away. So if we're taking this trade and you see that you're getting kind of far away, and then you get that signal stop trading, wait for it to come back. It came back to this level, to this price, and that's what we want. Now, we're not going to talk about counter trend trading here right now. I can show you guys how to counter trend, but that's not what we want. As you can see, the market came here. We got our fractal, meaning the market came back. It bought too much, so it's ready to turn around. Now things are starting to sell. That was actually an entry for me. The reason this is an entry, because I have red on top here, and I have a red candle, and it's underneath. So now we're going with the trend. So I will enter this next trade. I'm going to enter that trade now. Did I enter? Now, you don't win every one, but you win majority. I'm still going to enter this next trade. I will. I'm going to wait, and I'm going to enter this next trade. Boom. Let's go. So now I have a fractal. This is good. You guys see how that triangle popped up? That's a warning saying, hey, the market's getting real, real low here. You might want to stop trading because it may be ready to go to the next one. But I'm okay. I'm going to take the next trade anyway because I'm underneath this line and we're going with the trend. Now, remember, you don't win every trade. We just cleared that. You don't win every one, and that's okay. I don't want you guys to think that you're going to win every trade. But with this strategy, you win way more than you lose. Now, look, I got a fractal right there. You guys seen the green pop up, but I'm going with the trend, and we just cleared that trade as well. And you continue to do this the whole time. We're going to take another one. I'm going to enter right now. Boom. Entered a little bit early, but now I have green here. So if I expect to lose that trade, I'm okay with that because I have green, and that green told me that the market's getting ready to reverse. Now, we had two signs. We had the red fractal that appeared. I still took the trade anyway because it could have went lower. And then on the next candle, I had green down here. That's two signs that the market's getting ready to reverse. And look, guys, the market is reversing. So what I'm looking for is this right here. I'm looking for price to come back to that area and possibly continue to go down for the sell, go down with the trend. I see my lines are getting closer here. That's another sign I might want to chill out. The red is still on top. The sellers are still in control, but we see things are starting to turn around. We got buyers coming into the market here. We see buyers on the chart coming into the market here. We see these are starting to get closer. That green line starting to come to the top. We see all of that. So now I'm waiting for another entry to get into the sell. Now, only thing I'm waiting for now is for a red bar. If I get a red bar, I will enter that trade. I got a green. I'm not going to enter. It's just that simple. I'm not going to enter that trade. And now we're stuck. So once you have two fractals that appear here like this, guys, I want you to realize is that price up, we got a higher fractal. Price is literally stuck in between those zones now. Let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to bring this here. So price is stuck there. And I'm going to make this a vibrant color so you guys can see this well, just so you can see what's going on. Take that to 5.
I can't see your screen no more, man.
Okay, I was adding something. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Let me go back. Let me go back here. There we go. So I'm adding some lines on this chart right now so you guys can actually see where price literally was stuck. So now we're breaking that level. All right. Go settings. Put this on real fast for you guys. All right, cool. So I drew those lines because that's where those fractals appeared, right? So price was stuck in between there. It broke out. So it's retracing back up. Now, you can use these fractals as levels so you can get a quick glance of where price might go. You guys see back here, you got a lot of triangles. You see price is going to that area and it's kind of getting stuck. It's breaking by, it's breaking past. So price might literally go and close above this line. If a candle goes above this line and it closes above this line, that means the overall trend has turned into a buy, and we can possibly now start taking these trades for calls, aka buy. So let's see what happens. So it's going to close above. I'm going to take that trade for 5 seconds for a buy now because everything lines up. Green's on top, green down here, green candle, and above my red line, and just take every single trade. I'm going to take this another one. Boom, I'm going to enter that trade as well. If I lose, it's okay. I'll re-enter on the next one. That's okay. I lost out. So I'm going to wait for this to close out. And then we're going to go again. 3, 2, 1, enter. Up, got a fractal. That's a warning, guys. That's a warning. And we got red down here. That say, hey, stop trading, calm down, be patient. Let's see what's going on. So I'm going to wait for this to close out and see if I get another green. I got red. It's telling me the market wants to come back. So I'm not going to trade. Now, we do know right now that the overall trend is still a buy because price is above this line. I'm not looking to sell. We don't have everything lined up. We got green here, but we have red right here. So we're not going to trade. We're being patient. We're waiting. If this candle closes below, it's turning into a sell now. So now we have a sell, we have a fractal, we have red here, we have green here, and we have red. We can't trade this yet because red is not on top. Now, I did draw up my lines because that's where my fractals were. We have an idea of where price likes to come back to. And like I said before, price loves to come back to this line, guys. And what you're seeing now is price actually coming back to that line right now. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to call some trades. I'm going to have my brother call some trades. We're going to look for some things, and we're just about to go in. Wow. Okay. So now that we have everything done, we have everything set up. You guys just seen how I go in there and make market. This strategy is really fire. Go to my website, link. Well, you guys see above my head, actually, www.klbktrading.bigcartel.com. Secure your strategy. And what makes my strategy so powerful, not only that they work, but my settings are completely different. My settings are not your traditional settings that you'll find on any forum or any chat like that. That's what makes these things so powerful. And that's why people are not only doubling and tripling their account, but that's why they're having immediate success after the purchase of a strategy. And we hop on this Zoom and I help them set it up and they're ready to go. So Courtney's about to actually get into the market live, and now he's going to walk me through on how to take trades. This is his first day. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna let him share his screen. I'm excited. I'm excited for this. I'm excited. So Courtney, I'm gonna go ahead and give you access, and then we will go from there. Okay, we back. He's on Chef Jeff. Your boy cleared. So right now we have him. We're not on his live account because, you know, my rule of thumb, and this is what I teach everybody. When you come here, you got to learn the strategy before you go live, because I do not want you to be practicing executing this strategy on your live account and make mistakes. I'd rather have you make a mistake on your demo account, mess up, lose money over there, so you learn from your mistakes. So when you're ready to go to your live account, it's game on. He has his live account ready to go already, but this is his first time doing it. So we want to perfect his skill, perfect his craft prior to going onto his live account. So bro, it's all on you. I want you to walk me through what's going on, and then I want you to take some trades. If you feel like you want to look at other pairs, go ahead and do that because there's nothing wrong with that as well.
All right. All right, so still on shelf JPY, waiting on this green to cross the red before I hop in the trade.
Now remember, even if you do that, you're still underneath that red line, so the overall trend is a sell.
Okay.
So you want to take sells, you want to go trade with the trend. But I see what you're saying, and then I'm going to give you some other sauce too. So even if that was the cross, I want you to look at your candles. You see that green triangle right there, that fractal? That means price can literally come to that area only and then turn around and go the other way.
Okay.
See, you just got a fractal, so that's why you don't want to take that. You want to take the sell. So now you're waiting for what? Don't take it yet. It ain't ready. Everything ain't lined up, right?
Lined up.
What's out of order?
Well, red hasn't crossed the green. We got red, green. We got red and green candles.
That doesn't matter. We're just worried about the candle that we're on. So we're under the red line, which is good. We have a red candle, which is good. But if you look underneath there, you got green bars down there.
Right here.
That's where it's out of order. If it was red, that'd be great. And the red at the very bottom already crossed because that red line's above the green. See, now we can sell. That's a sell. That's a sell.
Yep, yeah. I got that red candle.
Yep, that would have been a sell. You want to get in. You want to get in as soon as that candle open. You got in that one a little late. You want to get in as soon as you take it again. Go. As soon as that candle open, you get in there, bro. Don't wait. As soon as that candle open, you hop in there. Boom. Gotcha. Lost out. So you're waiting for the close of this candle, and then you open it. Boom. Go. There you go. And you take that trade. Now, what I want you to realize is that go down to the bottom. You see how small those are getting right now? That means the money, there's not a lot of money in the market right now. So you want to be patient with your trade. And I would actually be done trading this right now, because if you go down to the very bottom, at that bottom indicator, you see how tight those lines are now? Not a lot of money. You want to trade when those lines are super spread apart, like you see right there. A lot of money, a lot of value, a lot of volatility in that market. All right?
Gotcha.
We got more sellers in the market.
Yep. Wait till this kind of close out. Is it gonna go red? Gotcha.
That's what I'm looking for. Yes, sir. That's what you see how that dropped. That's what I'm looking for. Get ready to take them all, baby. Get ready. That's we was waiting for that breakout. Get ready for this next one. Ooh, board mission, boy. Abort mission. Abort mission.
Let's go back over AUD.
Oh, it's turning into buys right there. You take that. That's straight counter trend trading. That's just underneath that red. But everything else is lining up. Just saying. But you got a practical red above price, though. I don't know who is Samsung entering right now. I don't know who this is. Getting real close. Real close. Oh, ooh, it's a counter trend trade if you take it. It's a counter trend trade. Just letting you know it's a counter trend trade. It's underneath that red line, but I'm just letting you know. Samsung user. Who just entered the call? Who just entered the call?
Hey, that's me, Yolanda.
Oh, Yolanda, what's good, son? I
miss y'all.
Man, hey, you already know we back on every day at 8:30. This is Courtney's first time on here. He just set up his account. Like, it's going crazy right now. It's going crazy. We know you a pro over there. We know you're a pro.
All right, Courtney.
But man, it's so good to have you back. You luckily just caught it. We was literally just getting ready to end. I am recording this session, but we're about to end this session right now. Once he breaks this, I want him to get to 1,200 at least. Get to 1,200, then we're gonna end this session. Those are counter trends. If you take that,
go Courtney. I'm on mute.
No, you're fine. Don't even worry about it.
All right, we coming down where I want to be.
Okay, but we coming down, but that green ain't on top.